Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fix Steam Your purchase has not been completed error. With this error, most likely it has, according to Steam support, this error occurs when your card has payment restriction due to previous unresolved payment dispute. But let me go ahead and help you how to fix it quickly. So what you do is go to your Steam and click on the upper left and then click on help. After that, go ahead and click on purchases and click on I can't complete my purchases. Here, go ahead and click on the issue you're having. Let's say you have this. And then on here, just go ahead and type in I can complete my purchase. Now go ahead and attach a screenshot of the error. With the screenshot of the error, go ahead and click send. After sending, they mostly or typically respond in about 8 to 16 hours. After that, the issue is mostly resolved. That will be all today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.